Before sending your flag shooter in, there are a couple of steps that need to be completed. Verify your age of your flag shooter. Due to regular updates and enhancements in our products, we can only repair units that are less than 3 years old. Please call or email support@flagshooter.com with your serial number, and our team will be able to identify when it was manufactured. Fill out an RMA form with your details and a description of the problem you are experiencing. Package your flag shooter, including 1 or 2 clips of your flags. Including a few clips of your flags will help us reproduce the issues you are facing, which helps to ensure us that any repairs we make will resolve your issues. Lastly, send it in to FlagShooter. Repairs are usually completed within 7 to 14 days of receipt of your tool.